Hi everybody, it is Dr. Claire here letting you know what is happening at Sea Change this week. I just got back from class. As some of you may know, I am pursuing an advanced certification in maternity and pediatrics, and the topic of the class this past weekend was cranials, so adjusting the cranial bones in the skull. And this technique is so powerful, particularly for anyone who has had any infant who had a traumatic birth, any infant who was born during C-section, any person, at all of any age who has had previous head trauma, chronic ear infections, chronic sinus congestion, anything like that. There are techniques that we can do to adjust the bones in the skull and get things moving that way, release a whole bunch of pressure on the sinuses, really good stuff. So if you feel like you would like to get checked out for this, or your child to get checked out, bring them in. I would love to check them out. In terms of other things that are going on in the office, this Wednesday, Gabriel Kalela, who is a colleague of Dr. Ammitai and mine, will be presenting a class on the difference between weight loss and weight liberation. So this class would be beneficial in particular for anyone who has tried to lose weight in the past, but has had trouble adhering to a diet, or anything like that. So it's going to be a really good class. So that will be Wednesday at 6 p.m. At the end of the month, January 27th, I will be beginning a 10-day detox. So I'm putting it out there that I would love to do this as a group. So it's a 10-day detox. There are no calorie restrictions, and puts an emphasis on eating whole foods. So I'm going to be having an informational session, a question and answer session next Tuesday, January 21st. I would love to have if you have any questions at all, or want to find out if this is a detox that would be right for you, I would love to see you here. We'll swap some recipes, go over a little bit about why you detox, things like that. So a lot happening here in January, and I am hoping to see you maybe Wednesday, maybe next Tuesday, or just around the office.